Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. That's an example of scamming.
What?
This person, they're like, whoever does the best trade gets my fox hat. It's like stupid. I can smell. Dang it. I'm gonna say that in like. Okay. I should get free chat on this. I can. Wait, no. Can smell you. I can smell you. You stink. You stink.
Say what?
You smell like the garden. What garden with
Crap.
no with weird. What does it smell like? Dumpster. See if I can say that. Bean. You smell like the dump.
It's B. Smell like the dumping.
That's another example of someone please trade me blue headdress. Heck no. What the? CK.
When are we gonna start the video? Oh, we already started.
Yeah. Schmuck. Yeah. Stink that.
Okay, in this video, we are actually...
Yeah, this is just a random video. Oh, I'm gonna flash trade someone. Watch, this is gonna be so funny. I'm gonna trade someone. Oh, they have all rare stuff. If they do, then I can't. Oh, flash. On. Wait, dude, this is gonna. I'm gonna flash trade this person. I'm just gonna count to 3 and then be like done. If they're ready for this, I'm gonna be so mad and they just like take all of my stuff. That would be so dumb. I'm gonna give them something rare. Let's see. Flash trade. That's so stupid. 1, 2, 3. Sucker! You stink. Suck that.
Can we talk about F-Man or something?
Dude, F-Man is not real. Watch this.
I know, F-Man is not real. People say, oh, it's a big virus. That's the years before, idiots.
Dude, F-Man is not real.
But this creep right here is real.
No, that's just someone. Whatever. Oh,
she's
dude,
weird.
It's like, I don't want to trade them right now. I'm doing a video. Tattoos. That's like, oh yeah. So this is my friend. 2000. Okay. So pretty cool account. It's a member.
Howdy ho, I'm right here.
Yes, his name is Jake. But under 2000. What? Who is sending me a jamagram? Where do I find the kangaroo? What kangaroo?
In the diamond shop, you idiot.
Yes, stupid. What kangaroo? What? Wait, kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Huh? Say what? What? I can't say it. Question mark. What? Stupid. Stupid. Whatever. What kangaroo? Oh yeah. I'm really sorry, dude. Wait. You hurt my feelings. I'm gonna report you unless you send me something. I'm gonna say that. You hurt. What? Dang it. Olaf? Whoa. Your pet. It's a
Oh
Joey.
my god!
It's a Joey.
You are so dumb.
Wait, dude.
Type up, go to jump the game.
It's a Joey. Joey. Or just buy an animal. Stupid. Oh my god, I don't know where to get a pet. Oh, maybe I just click on myself, then click pets, then it's totally not make a new pet. Oh my gosh.
Pet shop.
It's totally not make a new pet. Oh. Look at, I can't make a kangaroo. This is not a kangaroo, it's a pet kangaroo. Stupid. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, when are we gonna, I don't know. It's already been 6 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna, like, let's see if they fall for my skin. You be mean to me.
The show is really stupid.
Will report you. Okay, stupid. He's like, where can I buy one? Send me something good.
God,
I tell you.
buy something. This guy doesn't even know how to buy a Joey Owen.
Send
A guy.
Oh, that's so much. That's dumb. I'm not. Okay. You be mean to me. I will. I don't care about report you on this. You send me.
This is a classic video, balls.
Dude, let's see if this like dumb person falls for it. Yeah, you with stinky.
It's the tattoo man who asked you where the kangaroos are.
Wait, dude, stinky horn.
Another scammer.
Yeah, you with stinky horns. I can smell. What? Oh, I typed in sand. Can smell you. I can smell you. You smell
Like crap.
Just a second, Jacob. That's my annoying brother. I can smell you. You smell bad.
Haha. Yeah, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Just PPI stop.
What?
Pretty please.
What?
What? Said like P
Where?
PI.
Store my den. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna
Go
to
to
some random
scammers everywhere. Oh yeah, you're probably one too, Missy. Your mom. Your mom.
Wait.
Say I am F man.
A big
I took a deep bit.
dumb.
I took a big dumping.
Okay, who said that? Oh my gosh. I can smell you. Sniff, sniff, I can smell you.
I smell your butt. Oh, sick kangaroo!
Dude, see?
That kangaroo looks like he's drunk or something.
Yeah.
Sniff your butt.
Sniff. I can. Oh, that guy just said I a big dump.
I took a big
Sniff,
dumping.
sniff, I can smell you. You. Oh, what? Oh, yeah.
Say I if you are a girl. Say I. Dude, say I.
Wait, sniff, sniff. I can smell you. You smell bad. Like, really bad. Well, nice.
That was my brother.
Oh, dang it. I like this person. I'm going to their den.
What? You like that person?
Yeah, they're gonna give me something. Watch. This smells. This?
So,
What the? Oh my gosh. Oh, no.
it's actually cool.
Yeah.
Yay, it's water.
For long.
Just go to YouTube already, because we already have that video.
What?
All girls with a big ass.
What? Jacob, just a second. Whatever. I'm
Go to
ending
YouTube.
this.